685. We're going to loop through from front to back and get the first visible bomb tile. First, we need to get the level map origin. So we're going to get the diagonal offset to the data and the lateral offset to the data using these lookup tables. And then we're going to multiply the hotel address by 512 because it's in a 512 by 512 chunk of memory. We're going to add 128 to get the offset to the correct 128 by 128 cluster of data for the room data. Then we're going to do a diagonal offset down to the correct tri-cluster of geometry, bomb, and fata, and then we are going to offset down to the bomb layer. Once we have that origin, we need to get the local origin within the level data. So we're going to take this lateral offset, turn it into a vector, and then we are going to get the discrete units and the current tile size. Then we want to get the global tile coordinate by taking the discrete sample point and dividing by the number of discrete sample points in a tile. Then we're going to get the discrete internal local coordinate, the coordinate inside the tile, by creating an anti-remainder by multiplying the number of discrete units in a tile by the global tile coordinate and subtracting it from Doug. The global room coordinate is going to be the global tile coordinate divided by the lateral span of like how many tiles is in one level of a current tile size. The local map origin is going to be the global tile coordinate localized by subtracting global room coordinate times the lateral span of the level. And then we're going to do this assignment here because we're going to use this as a textual fetch coordinate. So we're just assigning it to itself here. Then global map coordinate is going to be the level map origin plus the level map core, GMC here. And then we're going to do our textual fetch. So we need to cast this to invec2 and then use our textual fetch macro that is going to fill this uvec4 here. We're going to make sure that we have a tile, and if we do have a tile that is packed into the red channel of our RGBA pixel, we're going to bit pack our pixel together into a uint32 called bin bomb, and then we're also going to store the discrete local internal and the number of a 1/9 chunk of tiles for figuring out which cell of the 8x8 grid of the graphic over the tile we're in, and then we're going to break out of here. And that's it. So we got to get the fuck out of here. So like and subscribe, send money in the mail. If you want a longer explanation, you can go here to Ninja Coder. You are on the fast videos right here. I'm fucking out of here. So like and subscribe. I'm making a game engine from completely scratch. It's a fully destructible fractal geometry bomb game.